everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve this very interesting trigonometric problem in which we are given sin x plus 2x plus sin 3x equals to 0. Now write sin 3x plus sin x plus sin 2x equals to 0. We know that sin A plus sin B equals to 2 times sin A plus B divided by 2 times cos A minus B divided by 2. So apply this formula to the given expression. We get 2 times sin 3x plus x divided by 2 times cos 3x minus x divided by 2 plus sin 2x equals to 0. So on solving this we get 2 times sin 2x times cos x plus sin 2x equals to 0. Now take sin 2x common from this expression and we get sin 2x bracket 2 times cos x plus 1 equals to 0. That is sin 2x equals to 0 and 2 cos x plus 1 equals to 0. So sin 2x can be written as 2x equals to sin inverse 0. 2x equals to k pi, where k is a constant. Therefore, x equals to k pi by 2. And from this equation, 2 cos x plus 1 equals to 0, we get 2 cos x equals to minus 1. Therefore, cos x equals to minus 1 by 2. And hence, x equals to cos inverse minus 1 by 2. Therefore, we get x equals to 2 pi by 3 plus 2 pi times k. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next.